Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand chain of thoughts prompting in large language model. Introduced by Y, chain of thought prompting enables complex reasoning capabilities through intermediate reasoning steps. We can combine it with few short prompting to get better results on more complex tasks that require reasoning before responding. Chain of thoughts involve presenting ideas or information in a sequential manner, allowing the language model to gradually build upon each chunk of information to arrive at final answer or conclusion. Basically, the chain of thought prompting solves the problem step by step. In chain of thought prompting, each new word or idea is linked directly to the one before it, forming a chain. This is similar to how humans often speak or write, with each new sentence building on the last. For example, consider this sentence: I went to the store. I bought apples. Each sentence is a link in the chain connected by the common subject I. LLMs, that is large language models, use a chain of thoughts approach such as GPT-3 are often good at generating coherent and contextually relevant text over short spans. However, they can struggle with maintaining coherence over longer text as the chain can sometimes get lost or tangled. Let's understand this figure. This is standard prompting. Roger has 5 tennis balls. He buys 2 more cans of tennis ball. Each can have 3 tennis balls. How many tennis balls does he have now? The answer is 11. The next question. The cafeteria had 23 apples. If they used 20 to make lunch and brought 6 more, how many apples do they have? So it will directly give the answer 27 because we have not used the linking chain in between these two questions. So this answer is wrong. Now let's use the chain of thought prompting. Roger has 5 tennis balls. He buys 2 more cans of tennis balls. Each can has 3 tennis balls. How many tennis balls does he have now? So this text which is in blue color, which is highlighted, it is a prompting given by us. Roger started with 5 balls, 2 cans of 3 tennis balls. Each is 6 tennis balls. 5 plus 6 is 11. The answer is 11. Now when we will ask the same question again, this question, it will not give me the wrong output because we have taught the model how to think, that is a chain of thought. So the answer is the cafeteria had 23 apples originally. They used 20 to make lunch. So they had 23 minus 20 is 3. They bought 6 more apples. So they have 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. The answer is 9. What are the advantages of chain of thoughts prompting? Let's see. By chaining prompts together in conversational sequence, model can develop a deeper understanding of the context and the user's intent. This allows for more coherent and contextually relevant responses compared to isolated prompts. Each prompt in the chain builds upon the previous one, allowing the conversation to evolve in natural and coherent manner. This progressive elaboration enables the model to generate more nuanced and detailed responses over the course of the conversation. Chain of thought prompting fosters a more dynamic and interactive dialogue between the user and the model. As the conversation progresses, the model can adapt its responses based on the context and the user's inputs, leading to more engaging and personalized interactions. By chaining together multiple prompts and responses, model can engage in multi-turn conversations that span across different topics or subtopics. This enables richer and more interactive dialogue experiences compared to the single-turn interactions. The chaining of prompt allows model to maintain a coherent memory of the conversation history, enabling them to reference previous exchanges and maintain continuity throughout the dialogue. This enhances the overall coherence and the flow of the conversation. Problem solving and decision making. Chain of thought prompting can be particularly effective for problem solving and decision making tasks that require iterative response of different options or considerations. By chaining together prompts related to different aspects of the problem or decision, models can systematically analyze and evaluate various alternatives. Limitations of chain of thoughts. As a conversation progresses through multiple turns, there is a risk of contextual drift, where the model loses track of the original topic or intent. This can lead to responses that are tangential or unrelated to the user's initial query. Limited memory. Although models can maintain a history of previous prompts and responses, their memory capacity is finite. Consequently, they may struggle to retain relevant context over long chain of conversation, leading to degradation in coherence or relevance. Dependency on previous turns. Chain of thought prompting relies heavily on the quality and relevance of the previous prompts and responses. If any of the preceding turns are misleading or ambiguous, subsequent turns may be affected, resulting in a cascade of errors or misunderstandings. Models trained on ChatGPT on chained prompts may become overly reliant on the specific sequence of prompts used during the training. As a result, they may struggle to generalize to new conversational contexts or adapt to changes in the dialogue flow. In real world conversation settings, users often interrupt or change topics abruptly. Models trained on chain prompts may find it challenging to handle such interruptions gracefully, leading to disruptions in the conversational flow. Generating high quality chain prompts from training data can be labor intensive and time consuming. Moreover, collecting diverse and representative conversational data that captures a full range of possible interaction poses a significant challenge. Now let's take this case study. There is a scenario. A user wants to plan a trip to a new city and seeks recommendation for places to visit, restaurants to try, and accommodations. So these are the user prompts from 1 to 5, and we will build a chain of thoughts. Let's copy the first one. Enter. Now we will go for the next prompt. So we'll copy it from here. So great, thanks. How about some good restaurants in the area? So basically it's a dialogue between you and the model. It will give you very accurate information. Okay, let's copy the next prompt. Sounds delicious. Do you have any suggestions for accommodations? Sounds great. Now we will go for the next prompting. Thank you. Any other tips for exploring the city? Let us copy this. So we got the responses. The last one, that's helpful. Thanks. Any advice on getting around the city? Copy it. So the prompts are used in chain. Each prompt is linked with the previous prompt. So this was all about chain of thoughts prompting. For more videos on prompt engineering, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.